Have you been coming across the DMARC policy not enabled error while using online tools? You can fix this easily. In this video, we will discuss how to resolve the DMARC policy not enabled error once and for all, so keep on watching. You may often encounter this problem while conducting reverse DNS lookups for your domain. The reason for this might be a missing DMARC policy in your DNS. By defining a DMARC policy for your emails, you protect your organization against spoofing, phishing, ransomware, and email compromise. To add a DMARC policy for your domain and get rid of the error, you can head over to the DMARC Record Generator tool on the Power DMARC website and start creating your free record instantly. While you are at it, don't forget to specify a DMARC policy for your emails. You may also come across a similar variation of the previously discussed issue. This is when you get a DMARC QuarantineReject policy not enabled warning. Fixing this requires a minor tweak in your DMARC record. Head over to your domain's DNS Management Console and edit your record by replacing the None policy in your DMARC policy tag with Reject or Quarantine, and you're done. If this doesn't solve your problem, contact our team of DMARC specialists for expert advice at Power DMARC today.